Money manifesting magic in 60 seconds. Want to keep this inspiration close at hand? Save this video in your favorites. In just 60 seconds, I'll reveal the powerful secret to attract wealth and abundance into your life. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Set your intention. First, take a deep breath and set your intention. Focus on what you truly desire: financial freedom, prosperity, and a life filled with abundance. Step 2. Visualization. Now, visualize yourself already living your dream life. Picture yourself surrounded by wealth, success, and everything you've ever wanted. See it in vivid detail. Step 3. Affirmations. Repeat after me. I am a money magnet. Abundance flows to me effortlessly. I attract wealth with ease. Believe in these affirmations and feel the energy. Type Amen if you are committed to using these powerful tips. Oh, and one more thing. Give us a follow for non-stop inspiration.